Hello guys, today I will show you my first doorbell. Let's go. Okay. And now I will be make it we make it here. Okay. Now I will put on that grass. No, first of all, I need to make put like that there. Okay, first of all, I need to make 1, 2, 3, I guess. Yeah. Break this here, like that. Here, and here. Then make like that. Like that. Like that. Okay. And then put like that here. Yeah. Then put their note block there, and there. Then put, where is redstone dust, put like that, as you can see. Then put here block wherever you want. Then put here a redstone torch, here redstone dust, and here redstone dust. Yeah. And then here do 22 times. 1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. Put it again because it's done. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Here, 18 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19. Oh, no. Sorry. No. This. Okay. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, come on! Okay, we'll come back. Okay, 18 times. And now what you will do now is put your redstone here, redstone, okay, then that. Okay, put here, here, and come on. Okay. And there, but color can go there. Never mind, there. This. Then put here. And my doorbell is complete. Okay, now let's try it. Put here. This. Wait, no. Okay, jump and put. Okay, don't work. Okay, I can fly. Now let's put like here, like that, and here, and now let's try it. You take a button here, put it there, and let's try it. Wait to put, okay? Okay, some things didn't work. Okay, I will come back and fix it. Okay, I fix it. Just put here redstone to close that and then to open it, but like that. Then I will go up, like that. Oh, come on. Okay. Go back. Come on. Okay. Put here the tag how I said. Like that. Now let's try it. I am home. Yeah. Using code. Yes. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and like. Bye.